Hello there, friends. Thanks so much for stopping by. Danny here of Danny's Dreams, just stopping by for another quick card share. I'm just super duper excited because I was able to get my Christmas present early and I got a ScanNCut. I have been debating about this machine for years. Years and years, and I would talk myself into it, and then I'd talk myself out of it, and talk myself into it, and talk myself out of it. And I finally just jumped in and took the plunge, and I am so glad I did. This was the first image that I cut out using my ScanNCut, which is the main reason that I personally bought it, was so that I could scan my colored images or my stamped images. This particular image is from Kraftin Kimmie. It's Fancy Florals is the stamp set. And I had used this in my video showing how to add texture to Copic coloring. Sorry about that. And so I had it there and I was like, oh, I'll try it with my ScanNCut. And I am just so pleased after watching one unboxing video and one other video, which I'll link below. I was able to get it on the first try, and I just love how easy it was, and I am excited to use it often. And so then I created this card. It's to play along with several challenges, and I'm just so excited, and I just had to share my first card using my ScanNCut because I cut out that image. And on the inside, I guess I didn't stamp it, but I did decorate it. So there is my first ScanNCut card. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. Go get crafty, go crafty shopping, go do something for yourself, sit back and relax. And if you like what you see, I hope you will subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notifications, and until my next video, I'll see you soon.